Thank you so much for joining us today. This video is going to show you how to control the looperboard with an external MIDI controller. So let's dive right in. The HeadRush Looperboard can be controlled by incoming MIDI CC messages from external MIDI gear. These MIDI messages can be received from hardware connected to the USB Type-A ports or 5-pin MIDI input. I'm going to be using the Akai MPK Mini as an example since it's such a popular and affordable MIDI controller. Plus, it works entirely over USB. So all I have to do is plug it into one of the USB ports on the back and it gets all the power it needs to operate. This will be the same for many other USB controllers on the market. Next, go to your MIDI settings on the looperboard. You find these in Global Settings. Tap on MIDI. And make sure the looperboard is recognizing the MPK Mini and receiving. So here we got the MPK Mini. Here's also the MPK Mini. And we got make sure the external MIDI control is on. Now, this controller, along with many other controllers on the market, use a simple computer editor to assign the MIDI commands that you want it to do. You just want to make sure it works with CC, PC, or note messages. Next, take a look at the Looperboard user guide, which is also a free download from our website, and look at the MIDI section. This chart shows all the info you need to find the correct MIDI messages to tell the controller to command. Now copy the data message number from the chart in the user guide that you want into the note field of the MPK Mini editor. Save your settings and send them to the controller in the editor, and you are all set to control the parameters you set. So, I made this control the record, plane, and overdub from the pads, and the knobs now control the volumes and pans per track. You can assign the controller to do many different things, such as effects, fades, transposing, and much more. Let me show you how this mapping works. As you know, I made the pads the record, play, dubs, and the top row of pads the stop and undos. So, I can hit these, and as you see, right off the bat, they start recording. If I want to stop them, boom, 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 boom. They're stopped. Now, let's jump over to the mixer screen. As I explained, this row is now pans, and this row is now volumes. So if I move these around, I can pan these anywhere I want in the stereo spectrum, and I can also adjust the volumes per track for anything I want. Way too loud, way too quiet. Hope this was helpful, and have a great day.